to close out a lot longer because they will just shoot over him.
Oh, Stanley Pringle inside, dips it off and dumps it down. Pero panoorin natin the first highlight of the #1 overall pick. 1 defender, 2 defender, 3 and 4. Laglag lahat. Broken play here para sa Global Port. Chance for Stanley Pringle. Crossover, hop step, dipsy-do move! Stanley Pringle introduces himself to the PBA.
And what a highlight. What a way to start. What a way to get his first 2 points. Official 2 points in a PBA game.
So most din, if may nagduda man tungkol dun sa Kabagnot, Romeo and Pringle collection, well, it didn't show in that first period.
When that first game, you breeze.
Global Port up 5. Pamboy trying to stay in front of him. Stanley finds Ronje in the corner. Buena Fe right on target for 3. The fundamentals with the footwork, with that core strength like Enrico. Stanley for 3, knocks it down. Right on target goes Pringle.
Both these teams' offenses have been leading.
Oh, Pringle splits the double. Pringle will finish off the glass.
You know, with Stanley Pringle, it's so hard to anticipate what he's trying to do.
Nothing so far from Stanley. Oh, he gets the steal. Pringle crosses over a guy in the backcourt.
Do they knock down those threes? But they help a lot in the rebounding. In that preseason, mga imports mahihirapan na.
Pringle, sinukat si Borboran. Ginawa nga sintahan and he hits it right on target.
Si Pamboy Raimundo. Let's look at this 3-point shot first of Stanley Pringle. Makikita mo si Borboran baiting Pringle to take that 3-point shot. Finally knocking him down. But on the other end, itong si Pamboy Raimundo, nauubos din siya pagdating sa dulo.
Oh, what a getaway by Pringle. Almost a turnover. Just watch this. Alam ko walang puntos sa crossover at walang puntos sa dribble. But if there ever were